You won't believe what this $100 Amazon wig looked like after I hit it with Adore Titanium and with a little creativity. Baby, this Amazon 613 wig was giving yellow. But baby, after a Adore transformation with Titanium, it's giving a little luxurious ice queen on a budget. Baby, if you are interested, please stay tuned.
Yeah, we bout to have fun. You know so much.
Hey Bookie loves, in today's video I am taking this basic 613 Amazon wig and transforming it into a gorgeous titanium blonde look using Adore dye. Okay, I'll walk you through every step, dyeing, toning, and styling, baby, even installing. Okay, this wig is very affordable, baby, and you're not even breaking the bank for it. Okay, so jumping right into this video, you guys, we are going in with the shimmer lights. Of course, like I said, the wig is very yellow, so let's lock out all yellow temptations when it comes to this wig. You know why? Because every time you put that color on, it's going to be one solid color and not a patch of a color here and there. Okay, so we want to make sure this wig is seamlessly blended and that yellowness is gone. Okay, so y'all, at this moment right here, I am using my fingers and I am working that shimmer lights into this wig, baby. When I say working it, I mean working it, because your girl will literally want to knock out all of the yellowness. Okay, me personally, right after I get to working it, I will let it sit in the water and I will let it just tone itself. You get what I'm saying? I will let it like just turn its own color just by sitting in the water, and then I get the brush and then I brush it and make sure that there's no lumps, humps, and bumps into this wig while we trying to get this yellowness out. Jumping right into this color, you guys, I am wetting the wig first just to make sure that it's getting wet, you know, so once I get ready to put that color on, it's not dry in no places. Okay, we are literally finna dye this wig. And I'm doing titanium at the top. And for some reason, I ended up going back and doing titanium at the ends because I wanted just like a little of like a sandwich of the blonde in the middle. Y'all, when I tell you this color ate down, baby. Stop playing and keep watching. And I will be back in a little bit. Enjoy this music and watch how I dye this wig. And I will see you in the install. Okay, Bookie loves, jumping right into this install, you guys. I am very excited. I am very happy. Baby, when you see these poses right here, this is literally for a thumbnail, okay? Ignore your girl while I'm doing these faces. Your girl trying to get the perfect thumbnail, okay? And don't get me wrong, I'm pretty sure everybody and their mama do this inside of their video, okay? Sometimes I would take the thumbnail outside of the video. Sometimes I would make one inside of the video. It's easy just to take it out of the video, okay? So yeah, y'all, this is what I'm doing right now. I am showing you how seamlessly, how thin this HD lace is, and how melted she is about to be, okay? When I seen how thin it was, baby, you can already tell your girl got the dancing. I got the feeling myself. I got the doing the ultra slide, okay? We got to doing some moves, okay? But anyways, y'all, jumping right into this install, as you can see, we about to hop right into this Dola hair glue, okay? Yes, ma'am, I use Dola hair glue, and I love her down. She's starting to slip on your girl, so I'm starting to have to find another glue because, baby, when I tell you this heat is not playing with your girl, it's not playing. I pulled this wig up probably about 3 to 4 times, okay? 3 to 4 times. And that's normally not like Dola hair glue. I normally can literally wear her all month long without having to pull her up. But baby, the son had a meeting with Dola hair, and in that meeting, the sun won because, baby, Dola is not doing her job no more. But anyways, y'all, as you can see, I am going in with my Dola hair glue, and I am making a fat layer. I said fat, which is true. I'm making a fat layer in between my wig cap and my forehead, okay, baby? At the end of the day, I have a 5 head, and I am not trying to show everybody what I got, okay? My mama didn't bless me with a no forehead, okay? She blessed me with the biggest one you can find on the market. Boo. So, period. As your girl putting the glue on, I do 7 layers of glue, okay, y'all? 7 layers of glue. Why? Because, like I say, this heat is killing your girl, and we ain't trying to have no slip and slide, okay? We're not trying to have a receiving hairline all the way to the back and not knowing that it is slid all the way back there, because that wig slides, baby, and you don't know until you actually pay attention. So, yeah, make sure you are very mindful. Put as much glue as you need. My layers are thick, and I smooth them out very, very thinly with my pencil, with my popsicle stick. Then I go in with my blow dryer on cool settings, and I blow dry it. I do that 7 times. Once I'm done with that, I lay my wig in the placement that I want to lay it in. Okay, you guys? Because if you don't, you're going to end up pulling that wig back up, and you're not going to want 7 layers of glue pulled back up. Okay, so yes, please be mindful of the way that you lay this wig, and if it's the right place you want to lay it. As you see what I'm doing right here, y'all, I am taking all that excess lace off. Baby, I'm taking it all off. Why? Because at the end of the day, it helps me keep my wig on for a long period of time. Okay, y'all? Literally, I'm not lying to you. This literally helps me keep my wig on for a long period of time. And you ain't got to worry about the lace, especially if you wear makeup. When you wear makeup, you ain't got to worry about how much makeup is going up under that lace, because you have none. You're going to literally cut everything from right there. Okay? Baby, keep on watching. Keep on watching, y'all. Y'all have not done so yet. Please give me a thumbs up in this video. Please give me a comment and tell me what you like so much about this color, and would you rock it, okay? If you have not done so yet, please, you guys, head over to the other videos we have on this channel. I promise you're gonna love them. We are a color person over here, and you will not be disappointed if that's what your field is about, okay? You love color, we love color, baby. We are colorful people. Come and join the family. We are keeping this band on for at least 30 minutes to an hour, just to make sure that it's very, very melty into our scalp, to make people believe that it's our hair. Okay, my mama birthed me with this hair. We kept it on for 30 minutes to an hour, and now we about to cut the lace. Y'all keep on watching, and make sure you are, do it careful. Cut that lace very, very careful, okay? You can cut yourself. I'm a living witness. You gonna cut yourself, sis. Holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just for me, yeah. When I'm running low, will you still cover for me? Going bands to make me feel lovely. And I'll go where you still think of me. I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. You got potential. Talking that shit, so intriguing. We could go far, go the distance. I could see it. I don't know if y'all noticed when I cut that lace, baby, I start breathing, especially after that first side where it started to stick. Like I had the stocking cap still up under it. Ooh, I got real scared, y'all, real scared. But anyways, as y'all see what I'm doing, you guys, somehow, some way, somewhere, baby, I cut my eyebrow. Okay, I don't know how I cut my eyebrow in the midst of me cutting the lace, but baby, as you can see, friends, I cut the eyebrow. Baby, I had to lay this down in so many different ways just so nobody would see that I cut the eyebrow. Either way, some people wear a cut in their eyebrow and it's still cute. Me personally, I feel like I'm too grown for that, okay? Baby, sew me up right there, okay? Anyways, y'all, I am going in with the Dola hair melting spray, and I am literally spraying it on my finger, and I'm going around my edge line 2 times. I blow it with the blow dry on cool settings, and I repeat it for a second time, and I put my band back on, and I lay it down for 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Yes, sis, I said 15 to 30 because, baby, why? You want it to look like her, okay? You want it to be flayed, sleek, looking like it's coming out of your mama's scalp. And if you still feel like you're not satisfied the way that you just laid your wig, baby, go in with some Ruby Kisses. Yes, ma'am, mine is number 15. But get your shade. Don't get my shade because you might not be my color. So get your shade in the Ruby Kisses. Go around your edge line. And, baby, watch how the white cast disappear. Oh, my God. Y'all, this color was so sophisticated, so sexy, so grown. Baby, I was in love with this color. And you could tell how I was in love with this color, baby. Look at the poses. Look at the lips. Just look at the structure of my face. I was in love. And just seeing how I melted that scalp. Whew. Baby, I was lost for words, okay? Y'all, I'm about to do these baby hairs. You already know these are the Gross Sisters, and they are your worst enemies, okay? Not yours, but mine. They're my worst enemies, okay? Baby, the trick of these baby hairs is flicking that wrist, okay? Get you some frilly foam, some frilly spritz, whichever your preference, and you get you the little swoop of the brush. I said swoop of the brush. You get what I'm saying, y'all. Get that edge brush, and baby, slick and rip. I don't know what I just said right there, y'all, but whip that finger, whip that wrist, okay? Like, whip it like it's some mashed potatoes. Like, y'all have to whip that wrist. Like, you have to work it backwards. Work your fingers with it. Like, it's a lot to it, y'all. My baby hairs are not the best, okay? So don't go off of me. Like, they do be cute. They get you through, but they are not the best, okay? We are professionals, not professionals, okay? When I use foam, I use Nairobi. And I go and I use generous amount, okay? Why? Because it can't hurt you. Baby, it's taking away all them flyaways that you have. And my baby hairs are always going to be thin, y'all. Always, because it lasts so much longer. I still have this wig on, and it's lasting so much longer when you have baby hairs this thin. Like, look at the lace. Oh my God, it's melting, y'all. I'm sick. Keep watching this video, y'all. Go ahead and give me a subscription, a thumbs up, because I already know you loving this video, and I will see you in a few. Overall, Bookie Love, this was a beautiful 34-inch wig. I will buy this wig again, and again, okay? Do you not see the transformation, the luxurious, everything about it? Please follow me, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.